What's up, everybody? In today's video I'm going to be cleaning the bird bath that my mother-in-law gave my wife and I just a few days ago. So here's the bird bath. Okay, needs to be really cleaned, and I'm going to be cleaning it with his bleach and water in this. Okay, Dollar Tree spray bottle. All right, so I'll set that there, and a Dollar Tree, I believe Dollar Tree brush works pretty good. I've used these before. Okay, so I'm going to be cleaning this all up and making it look nice and white and pearly. All right, so we're going to adjust the nozzle a little bit, spray down. All right, let's see if I can spread it. Let me take this off, set that right here, this, pour some in, set that aside. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over and get the hose, bring the hose over, and spray this all down and see what so right now I got my hose, and I'm going to go ahead and hose it down and see the results. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh god, oh, look at the results. Boy, let me just dump this out. Okay, zip it back up. Oh yeah, but at least I could try to get as much as I can. See, there's more over here. So yeah. So I just did it twice. Now what I have to do, now I have that, now I have to do the whole entire base. Alright, I just filled up with more bleach and water. Okay. So I'm going to do is I'm going to spray paint the spray down the spray. And then I take the scrub brush, I get my hands on it. I'm going to pretty much stop the video, and I will continue it when the bird bath is done, but you got the general idea. I got the general idea now, so I'll be right back. Alright everybody, I'm back, and I just got done scrubbing the bird bath, I believe 2-3 times, and so this is the result. Okay, so I basically did this again and again. It's the same outcome. Still got some little hair over. Okay, so that's what it looks like. It actually is a little cleaner. See, roll it. See, it's a little cleaner. Okay, so for Angel topper itself, here's what it is. So I have to do this one next. I have to get this one all cleaned up, and after that, go to the next step. Clean the bolts up if they are bolts, if they're not the screws. But either way, screw bolts. I'm going to clean them all up. I'm going to take this one off and this one right here off. I just almost got it out, okay? But this one right here, I tried getting this one out and it's actually not going anywhere. So, I don't know, I may just take this one here out for now, and then take it out and try to clean it up as best I can, and then reinstall it, and then put the front lawn. So okay, I just got the other screw out. Okay, it's actually a bolt with a Phillips head on it. Okay, so I got it out. It is really rusted. Okay, so I'm going to clean this up as best I can, and then yeah, clean this up best I can. Looks like this right here I don't have to do any with. Yeah, it looks like I don't have to do any with that, so it looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up right now, and then reinstall it. Okay, so I cleaned the bolt off as best I can. Okay, and put it back in place, which is right like here. What it does is it this and just start so slowly going down, and then it tightens up just like that, just like that. Okay, that side's done. Now see, I tried getting this side out, tried to unscrew the bolt that I could not get out, which is this one right here. I actually tried using this, I guess called concoction, okay, a pair of channel lock pliers, okay, onto a screwdriver handle, okay, didn't work. So, all right, welcome back everybody. I am officially almost done with Angel Bird Bath, so I'm going to put it together and then put it where I was going to set. Let's do it. Let's pick this up, bring this over here, right, like that. Now you gotta make sure it's flat enough so it doesn't tip over. Let's get this. Okay. Goes on a little weird. All right, there we go. Let's turn this down. Sit it. There we go. There. Just like that. Now when I put water in it, and then put water in it. All right. That's it for now. It's all set. All right, everybody. It's gonna be it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did enjoy the video, please hit that like button. If you have a comment about this video, please leave it in the comment box below. If you could hit that subscribe button, I would really deeply appreciate it. And thanks for staying with me. All right, until next video, peace.